Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna visit Gatorland in Central Florida. I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough tour of it, show you the big alligators and snakes and turtles and white albino alligators and stuff like that. So stay tuned, you're gonna see what you're gonna see in there. So this is the front entrance.
Let me go stand in line.
Check out this big alligator over here. Ticket booth. Alright guys, so we just bought tickets and we are in the Gatorland park now. So I'm gonna show you guys some of these big alligators over here. So check this out. Look at these big alligators right there. This is how you remember it? This is how you remember it?
I can't even remember.
This guy over here. He's sleeping. Look at that big one right there. And the big over there, huh? That one looks like one crocodile. Alright, let's go this side. Oh my god, look. Look how many alligators.
Floating.
I don't see them. What was here? I don't see them. Guess them separate the little one from the big one, you know? Check the sun out. You just lay on top of my thing. Look, three of them there over there. Look, you see them? What are all fish, huh? Watch. Hey guys. Have we got to do that, right? That one right there. So we have some more little ones over here. Now look at the board over there. See the board? Alright, so this is the map. We started at 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna go to 5 and 6. So this is the food court area.
I need a surfer stick.
So let's see what's on this side here. Not busy, it's nice. I guess because you just opened, right? Oh, we got some big ones over here. see. Oh, it looks scary on it. I guess here I'm gonna feed them. Oh, this is
The octopus.
a big turtle. You have to find it. Oh, let's look at that over here. Oh, okay. Check out this guy here. Big turtle there, right?
No. Maybe.
Super big, eh? Never see one this close up. Let's see what you say here. I guess this is the one that the Ninja Turtle thing come from. Look, Kawabanga, dude. There's a Ninja Turtle right there. That's cool. Shell Shack. That's from the movie. Oh, I just have the. How am I? I should have climbing on the mountain. How do I do that? Look at them so heavy. They can look like they can't move, eh? What is it? Baby alligators? We're gonna go see baby alligators now. So we have baby alligators here. Look at this.
Come here, baby. Over here.
Look at this white alligator, baby white alligator. That's cool. Look, a bunch of them over there. This is an alligator nest. See all of them over there? That's pretty cool. Hmm? You know, white alligator. That's cool. I get one turtle in there, look. They're on the stick.
Yeah.
You just chill over there. So we're gonna go see the panthers and what else? So let's go over there. So we have here Python house. Let's see. Check out this guy here. We have a yellow python and a black one over there. Oh, that's pretty nice. They're probably like 10 feet or something. So now we're gonna go to see the panthers. So these are the panthers here. So they have two of them here. So check this out. There's one right there. And then one over there. This is their enclosure.
That one is a snake.
Huh?
Nico and Lucy.
Okay, Nika and Lucy. The panther, apparently they're brother and sister. That's cool. So now we're gonna go to number 8 and 9 and then 10. Alright. So which side? This side. This is the playground. The turtles are over there. So check this guy out. Huh?
Okay, look at his hair.
Yeah, right? Okay. Okay. There's some pool here. So this is the train which we're gonna ride later. We have a saltwater crocodile here. Check this guy out here.
His name is Morton.
What? Morton the saltwater crocodile. It's pretty cool. Get on next little pond here. Let's see what's in here. What's? Oh wow! It's a yellow alligator. Look at this crocodile. Close up look. It's pretty big. Gate open now then. Okay now. Move over there. Okay, we can go that side. Oh, let's see. If down there you can see them. That's pretty cool. Aquarium like. Look at this guy. It's pretty cool. And he have two more friends over there. We're gonna go see them now. Get anything away? Sure. Sure, bring the cat. Not boss on throw here. Watch. This shop here. This shop chilling out over here. Tell me something.
No.
So we're gonna mess with him, see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's go. Let's move on. So we have this big emu here. Check out this guy. So now we're gonna go see a white alligator. So what is it? White alligator swamp water. Let's go. Oh, babe. 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 Look at this giant white alligator here. Big, eh? White. It looks so like fake, like. Look at the animatronics. It's pretty cool. Mr. Alligator. There's a little baby one here. But not so little, but it's pretty big. Hmm? So now we're not gonna go through the swamp walk over here. Check out this big one over there. Chiquita y cada animal. Check out these big ones here. So right now we're on a middle of the swamp and there's a walkway in the middle going all the way, and there's some more alligators over there, and there's this really big ones over here. Here. So take a look at this guy here.
I'll do that.
Where are you guys?
So this is from the top of the tower, right? Check this out. So check out these birds over here. They make nests. That's pretty cool.
She is a year and a half old.
Eggs. Look how cool the eggs look. This talking. Alright, so we're gonna continue here. We're about to go on the train right now.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
The train.
Alrighty folks, so I'm going to start you guys off with a little bit of history of the park. First, Gatorland was not always called Gatorland. Back when it was first founded in 1949 by Owen Godwin, he named this place the Florida Fish and Wildlife Institute. Now that name's super boring and people were scared they're going to have to come here and learn. Nobody wants to learn on vacation, so nobody showed up.
We just finished the train ride. We're gonna go see the alligator show now.
It's about 90% Bud Light, so not really fair fight. Really? But guys, we are professionals. We do know what we're doing here. So much so that actually a couple years back, a 9-year-old girl watched the show, and what she learned in this show helped save her from the alligator.
Bryce, where are you going?
Social distancing.
What? Dude! Alright, we got it.
And now what?
I don't know, usually don't make it this far.
Yeah.
We do have people coming out here and pulling down their masks for the photo, but that's our exception. Nobody wants to remember 2020, 2021 at this point. Great job. Exactly. Luca,
Or a bird enclosure.
The petting zoo and then the bird enclosure.
Alright, so we just finished from the alligator show. So now we're gonna go to the petting zoo, see what kind of animals they have there. Oh, the bar.
He has no hair on his legs.
Oh, yeah.
But go closer. Yeah, then he's not gonna do anything to you.
As you're walking through, just keep an eye on your stuff and stay far away from the fence. I'm done.
Very cool. Y ese turupe.
The nice thing is that being over here, the ones that want to be pet.
It's so hot for them, no? All of them tempting, aren't you? Huh? You see the cow? What's the cow? What's that? So we get some feed here. We'll see. Which one for gift? This one?
Pour it into your hand.
No, he said don't put it into your hand.
They said put it in your
No.
hand and then feed them the cone after.
Sure? No, oh, hold on. Come. Now. You gotta share the thing. He's breaking his skull.
Hey.
What he on? Back up. Back up.
Get this little one.
So who will get the cone now? Huh? This goat like ice cream apparently. Can't get out of it. You gotta share the thing. You gotta share the thing. You gotta share the thing. I'm trying. So we just feed them. We're in the petting zoo. We just feed them. Now where are you going now? The bird enclosure. We're gonna go see the birds. We're gonna show you guys the birds. Alright.
Alright, just cover these up until you're ready. Don't let them see it yet. Slide down there and then when you're ready, hold them up high.
Alright, so we bought the bird feed here. Okay, hold your one. Okay. Then I come. Alright, Chef. There's Chef here. They're my fighters, they're my fight. have a fight. Watch your foot, right? Not move your foot, yeah. That's pretty cool. Nice check. They're fighting. Look at this. Bite my shoe, right?
Alright, guys, if you have to do this, just try to push it around. I'm gonna ask them to try
Go. Can you touch him?
Yeah, you can pet her real quick.
Okay.
This one is a ball python.
Oh wow. Feels so weird.
Yeah, super smooth.
Yeah.
If it's the first time touching a snake, you always kind of think, oh, it's going to be slimy.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
No,
I never
smooth and
expected
dry.
that. Oh wow. Okay. So what you do, pictures, huh?
Yeah, right here we do pictures with our snake.
So this is the snake enclosure. Let's see here. Check this guy right here. So he's hiding. See him hiding over there. It's a copperhead. Yeah, right there. Put him right there. Fill it out. Keystone diamondback snake. So it looks like they have a bunch of them in here. Looks like there's two of them here sleeping. This is the Burmese python. at this guy here.
Ven a ver esta, mira. La anaconda, ¿ves? La anaconda. No es un pitón. Ay, después Dios es una anaconda. Eso es una anaconda. Una anaconda.
That's a python.
Alright, so we're gonna continue now. Let's see what we find over there. Check out this. Yes. Alright, so we just bought some alligator feed here. So we're gonna go try and feed the alligators now. Right? So we're gonna see if we can feed them. So we got a piece here. What is this? This up? Look like a meatball with the hard. Camera, quick time na. Check out this big crocodile.
No, look how big that one is.
Yellow. Alright, so this is the exit, and it says right here, "See ya later, alligator." That's pretty funny. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video today. Hope you guys had fun. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next Florida adventure.